like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey G's, good morning. Oh snap, I don't drop videos in the morning, I'm a fool. Good afternoon I guess, but right now it's morning for me. It's Sunday morning and I'm trying to get you guys that breadfruit vlog because I promised you guys from a long time and I want to fulfill that promise. Currently the place look dark up and I just can't bother with that. I want to get the breadfruit vlog, but it has to be outside. Sorry, send me there with the curtain there, just because like me in a room right now. Just wake up and the place look kinda dark. I think rain gonna fall. Here what? If all goes well today, I am going to go link Jimmy, go link Askia, and in Chiraway shoot the breadfruit vlog and post it for Wednesday. You see me? So if you've seen this on the Wednesday, it all happened. You see me? Big up on yourself. Soon come. And here's Jimmy. So we got Jim. Yo, the rain are falling now. But you know what?
That
the
can't
devil.
Stop me.
That can't stop me. I link you gonna Askia in the car soon. Come. And now we have Askia. Let's go. Let's go. So here we go on guys. Rain or fall. So I might have to switch up the plan. The plan was to give you guys a little vibe and go cook on a river. You see me? But when I think the river cooking can go on with a little bit of drizzle rain here. So we are going to probably cook at my grandmother and then we just go to the river go vibe. But they tell Askia and Jimmy say, me not be the only one that do something. So because me a roast breadfruit, I want to give a little vibe, them I do something too. So Askia, what you do?
Still chicken.
Jimmy, what you do?
I make you vegetable and the juice.
Jimmy, I make a vegetable and the juice. Honestly, I don't know what you make. You just a good great at the vegetable. I'm gonna make it.
Watch out.
Jimmy, I probably cabbage and carrot you use.
Yes. But you have to have a skill in cutting the slice, the cabbages thin. You see me?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. You go to school for this.
Bro, you never go to school for this. My grandmother grew with, you know.
You don't grow with no grandmother. Man lie. Man tell lie about him granny. We're gonna just do the video, you know. We're gonna just do the video, you know.
Yes, sir.
You see me? Everything not finalized because the rain kinda make it think iffy right now. But we are committed to giving you guys a video today. Watch this.
I'm committed. Sunday.
My life to him. So yeah, me not lie, the camera quality have a little vibe. We are linking on back when we reach somewhere. And we are going to look a vlogging at the journey. You know the vibe, the vibe. Soon forward. One pound of cabbage and half pound of carrot. Thank you. Big up yourself, eh? I get 3 pound of chicken parts, please. When you're there in them place, you have a shout out and you can't just wait in the line, you're mad. So we get seasoning now. You just all go into the meat shop. I do man dark up me and ask you, the lady say, and your turn, you can't wait. Ease up for people them. Ease up for corona time. And it's funny because we alone in there with mask. We don't want much onion. We don't want so much onion. Some rating you can compromise, you know? You understand? You're not too rough. I don't know nothing about market shopping, that's why I carry them. I guess everything will go good. God bless you, yeah? Big up Juicy every time.
I can only do party daddy.
You have party money?
Yeah.
You have party money?
Yeah.
We love that.
Yes.
We love that.
Yeah.
Party and
We
Jimmy.
can't walk in, you know.
We can't walk in.
We can't walk in. None of us, so we are going to walk in.
Big up Juicy still, but dayline and I go work
Jaja.
out. You go inside? Line in a Juicy. Inside and out. Juicy make money, you know. Yo, ask ya.
Let me look up.
Ask ya. Be honest. You feel like Jimmy can cook?
Yes.
No, Jimmy can cook for survive. Jimmy can cook for taste good.
So when I cook, it not taste good? Me cook year before, it never tastes good.
That's me I say.
It never tastes good. Never
Jimmy
tastes good.
only cook for survive.
So
and that's end of the story.
The baby what year when me can't come here, never name good.
You make baby bean for me? Me no remember that.
The baby bean when me can't come over here.
Me no remember no baby bean. Me no
remember. The
remember.
baby bean and the saltfish.
Me no remember bean.
When me can't with the crab, the curry crab.
Me no remember no baby bean. Me no eat crab. Me no eat crab. I lie tell. Me no eat crab. You're too lie. You're too lie. Me no eat crab. Me no eat crab. You see, you catch yourself.
Bad man.
Bad man. All I
the ungrateful dog. I just have that for telling people. Man. Ungrateful dog.
Yes, sir.
Me not sir.
No, sir. Mama couldn't put on a dress.
Like that, but in the shoe one side.
You know when you're catching a car, sir? Yo. She shape like she in a car, squeeze up.
Pipe on the back.
No, sir. Shape bad.
Scoliosis.
That's not
shape bad, that
scoliosis.
Scoliosis.
She shape like ginger.
What old boy?
Big.
So we just reached my grandmother's house. So I go yell her. I'll figure out which part we are cook. I want to do that now. Guys, we're do this together. We carrying along the journey. I not fully figure out when I do everything. Because I know nothing about cooking, but I know say meat have a season up before time. You see it? Grandma? Morning. Oh, chicken in the pot there, Grandma. I must season the chicken and something. Because you know, I never really take you. We just a roast breadfruit. Say guys, I just me ask you now because Jimmy I talk on phone. I don't say nothing no. I don't say nothing. I have a lot to say, but I don't say nothing. I go in the back. See cold there? See my bread, that's why I roast breadfruit. Look, come on, show me say. I'm not joke thing, you know. Ask ya.
That's cool, no?
Ask ya. Make people them know what. Make people them know what.
It's a go and season up or go on and
Yeah,
till the
yeah.
blood because that's not nice, no.
That-
That's not healthy.
That not healthy.
That's not healthy.
Jimmy,
Yes,
Jimmy.
sir. So start the badness. Oh, yeah.
Yes, who's out the badness? Give me a chef pose for the camera. Alright.
Have a look, you know.
Have a look. We're out here. Askia, you see me? I deal with the chefins. Jimmy, I catch a fire. You see me? No. Alright. May I be honest with you now? May I be really honest. Me that try to catch a fire, but it not work. You see me? My wood failed me, dog. Yo, Jimmy, I tell you. See if me I get bun, me no want know.
No, do your thing.
Me no want know. If a girl like give me bunch of a skill,
Yeah, man.
if she not skill, she not respect me.
No.
If she not skill, she not respect me.
find out.
Because that means that you be careless with the bun.
Weak.
You be careless with the bun. Yo, I should give me bun with a man who less than me. I left that.
Don't.
I feel be a man who have money. I say, yo, you know.
Me see why.
Me see why, mama.
Yeah.
Me and that, you have ambition.
Fall short, yes.
Me fall short, yeah, so. But a girl can't give you bun for no reason, so better.
Man, I ride bicycle.
Why?
No, what?
Yeah, why if a man have a bigger stick than
Yeah,
film?
man, don't do that. Don't
Ask
do
ya.
that.
Wait, say, ask ya. All the girlfriend go boom. Watch it now. Ask ya. All the girl give you bun. You see me? I say a man 2 hours come drop her yard. A man 2 hours for the bicycle drop her yard.
A man have a bigger stick than
Yo, Jimmy.
Yo, find
Jimmy, if
that
you link a girl, you see me? And she give you bun, that man, you see man 2 hours for the bicycle drop her yard. Wait,
Right, guys.
No, man, I'm cousin.
Right, guys.
Me a tell life here. Me say, yeah man, our cousin that one the man. Me say, yeah man, me know her. Me a tell life here. Me say, yeah man, me know him man, I'm our cousin that man. Man, me couldn't know say, yo. I'm not joke thing, I'm gonna tell you say, me a do it. This Steve was strong. I have a cut out this. You see me? I'm gonna show you this.
boy really know about roasting breadfruit.
No, brother, me know me a do, brother.
You want breadfruit?
Grandma tell me, see, you just make 2
Yeah.
round this, so.
Yeah.
And pop out it, dog, you see?
Look like you're teaching
Sorry,
well,
man.
Jimmy.
What do you mean Jimmy teach me?
And a Jimmy.
No, brother, I'm born with breadfruit in my hand. I'm born with breadfruit in my hand, brother. Just pop out this, so. Pop out this, so, you see?
You do it wrong too, because you have to cut out your life.
No, man. You can't tell me, say me do it wrong.
You have to cut out your life.
Let's go, say, make one X, so.
I watch the last part there, you know, if you put the X in it, but you know. Yo, we see breadfruit, you know.
Yeah, we is breadfruit, man.
No,
Alright,
man.
first one that.
I first one that, I tell you, say, actually, me never, no, me have to understand.
Pop 'em out.
Me have to understand the knife. Hey, ask ya, Jimmy not catch no facial reaction. You know, Jimmy a fire from the video job. Hey, you see when breadfruit skin touch fire, you smell, boy.
See the man behind the roasting, yeah, daddy?
Man behind the fire, you know.
Yeah,
I'm telling you
yeah.
something, I'm telling you something. For all your local breadfruit supplies. Ask ya. Ask ya. Yes, sir. Husband material, what you say? What you say?
I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Make the bag full, no?
Jimmy run us a fun away. Tired. Sweat. Yeah, but my bread, they don't know the priest, you know. My breadfruit, them dip on fire, you know. Yes, when I see breadfruit, I kind of look black on one side now. Where do I just? Yo, Jimmy. Yo. Flip it. You see me? Flip it. Flip it, so. Get a stick. Flip it, cause we know what we are doing now. We just can't get one over here because the channel have insurance.
Yeah.
You see me? So let's go so boom. Flip it. Jimmy saying wow show no before and after. So this is before him start the vegetable because Jimmy has a
scrape on them thing there.
yes sir. Clean.
Clean, daddy.
Clean. Yes sir.
God.
Yes sir.
God.
Yes sir. Yes sir. When fire the palm breadfruit of the rose on be your vibes. Be your vibes. Jaja.
Oh, God.
Ask you for yourself. Ask ya. Ask ya.
Yes, sir.
Jaja.
Who you over here say I'm gonna do it?
Jaja.
Actually, this is the first time doing something like this
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Yo, quiet on set. The man is getting an interview.
But I am confident,
You're confident?
you know, because I asked my questions and
Yeah,
everything, and
yeah.
definitely, so far it looks so good.
So
You see
good.
me, and I am starting to salivate already.
Yes, sir.
Me not done yet.
Yeah,
Me
yeah,
not done yet, so I'm not ready to talk to people yet.
yeah.
Yes,
But when
sir.
you're ready, we'll check your back.
Yes, sir.
Let me see it again. You just do a bad style.
Flipper.
Jesus. You know, Jimmy. No,
sir.
Yo, you can't tell me that Jimmy and now about him. What really are going? What really are going?
Drop in the colors, you know.
Colors.
Drop in the color. You see the pepper there?
Jaja.
Don't make it sink down, make it up on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because you don't want it, boss.
But you know, them ready to come out now, cause but if you got me a video right now, we gonna have some helping hands. Just maybe just lift out. You can't lift out, you know. You see me? We good with that. And I like some afraid they heard me or nothing, you know. But just know say you woulda can manage that while me video. What grandma say? Wet up is easy to peel. Grandmother say. Me not sure how true this be, but grandma say it's not true. Grandma say if you wet up it's easier to peel.
Can't pick one coconut.
Coconut bigger than my brother.
Me never get but I know about it yet.
Yet.
Never know about it.
Alright.
And
So you
that's
don't
a
get
good
body.
part.
If you don't know about it, you
You
don't
don't
know.
know, you don't know.
Ah.
If you don't know about it, you don't get it. Whoa.
Effortless.
So explain to us how regular I deal with the badness dog. I don't know take me serious.
I know about it. Yeah,
up?
when you cook out in a daddy.
The piece is too deep. Jaja.
Can't see say I know what am I doing now.
What am I doing, dog?
No, man, it's
Yeah,
it's-
you can't
it's
kill
gonna
the
lift up.
frying
It's
wheel.
gonna lift up.
Nah, lift up.
Man, under skin, daddy.
For these guys,
Yo, by the time me done cook my belly full in the brother. That me I tell you,
How
me
are
no.
they kind of money?
No, them chef there now. When me done cook my belly full in the brother. Can you see camera?
Oh, you get camera shy.
Jimmy that.
Bombard Askia.
Jimmy. No, say Askia want that you know.
No?
Askia. But no one a big piece. Me just want you to taste it and tell me how it tastes. Cause me need a passing grade. Me need a passing grade. You don't have to give me an A plus, you know.
So we come and do your hair.
But I just need a passing grade.
Well, Wayne.
Alright, yes. Yes, let us hear it.
Now this look delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna taste it now to see.
Mm-hmm. Be honest, you know. If you want like something, tell me. If it good, tell me.
No, so
Alright, and Jimmy do the coleslaw. Taste the coleslaw.
yes, it's good. It's good. Tastes nice.
Yes.
Not salty.
Mm-hmm.
Not fresh. Just the right.
Alright.
Very nice.
That's all I want here. That's all I want here.
Congratulations. Very good.
Alright, grandma. Grandma say you can eat. So you can eat. You see me? So
Boy.
grandma say food good, so food good. You see me? So just like that. We'll slap this and we get to go river. So come. Yo, right now we're out here just risking it all because the rain are poor. And we still are going at river. We just
risks.
life is all about risk. And at this point we just want to show no. I did plan to go river, so we'll just do it. Oh, by the way, guys, madam see. You see this? You see this?
Yes.
Vibe.
Yes.
Vibe. I kinda like it. I think I'm gonna continue wearing it in my videos. Yes sir. So it's a little walk we have. I'm kinda fat now. So kinda winded. I'm reach down there. I'm showing you pre, you see me? But at this point we just have to get out of the place. Because rain a fall, rock them slippery. But
Slippery when wet.
we gotta get this. Let's go. So yeah, we are here.
Martin.
So yeah man, at this point, we're just gonna go try get in some of the water before, you can hear me? Get in some of the water before the rain come down harder. If I go in there, me come back for the camera. Isn't it? Me soon for. Yes, sir. You're cool, my friend. Yo, me G, you're cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Let's go.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, my fear touch the ground, bro. My fear touch the ground.
Is that stone me land?
Ask your turn.
What for
Ask
do?
your turn. Give me a jump. Give me a jump.
Yeah, jump. Jump where?
Give me a jump. Give me a jump.
Me give me the swim cross.
Give me a jump.
Swim come back. Let's go.
Catch your breath. Catch your breath. We're not mid though. We're not mid though.
Bro, damn, get the work on.
Yes, sir. Have you cover? At this boy, my ear look like a mop dog. Mother gonna see the video and say, yeah man, me tell her for trim.
Right now?
Yo fam, here we go on. The video go down now guys. Pick up on yourself. We reach. It's a successful vlog.
Yeah.
Successful vlog. We're gonna take a last tip and carry camera under and that's how we go down. Pick up on yourself. Like, comment, share and subscribe.